if you're still manually copying, pasting, and reformatting data every week for reports. Power Query is about to change your life. It's a built-in Excel tool that automates data import, cleanup, and transformation. And once you set it up, refreshing a report takes one click instead of an hour. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through Power Query from zero to automated report. Here's the power of Power Query in one sentence. A report that takes an hour to build manually takes one click to refresh after you set up a query. That's because Power Query records every step. Import the file, remove these columns, change this data type, filter these rows, merge these tables. Every step is saved and replayed automatically when you hit refresh. Build once, refresh forever. Power Query is Excel's data transformation engine. You'll find on the Data tab under Get and Transform. It connects to almost any data source, CSV files, other Excel workbooks, databases, web pages, folders full of files, and more. You use a visual editor to shape the data, rename columns, filter rows, change data types, merge tables, all without writing formulas. The result loads into your workbook as a clean, ready-to-use table. Let me open Power Query. I go to Data, get Data from File, from Workbook, and select a raw data file. Power Query opens a preview window showing the data with all its original formatting. On the right side, I see the Applied Steps panel. This is where every transformation I make gets recorded. At the top, there's a ribbon with all the transformation tools. Let me start cleaning this data. The most common transformations are removing columns you don't need, renaming columns with proper headers, filtering out rows that contain errors or blanks, changing data types from text to number or date, and replacing values. Each one is a single click or two in the Power Query editor. Remove a column by right-clicking the header and choosing Remove. Rename by double-clicking the header. Filter by clicking the drop-down arrow, just like regular Excel filters. I'll clean this sales data. First, I remove the notes and internal code columns. Right-click, Remove Columns. Then I rename Sales AMT to Revenue by double-clicking the header. I click the filter arrow on Region and uncheck the blank entries. I change the date column type from text to date by clicking the type icon. Each step appears in the Applied Steps panel on the right. If I make a mistake, I can delete any step without starting over. Power Query really shines when you need to combine data from multiple sources. Append stacks tables on top of each other, like combining January, February, and March sales files into one table. Merge joins tables side by side based on a matching column, like a VLOOKUP but more powerful. You could do left joins, right joins, inner joins, and full outer joins. These operations that would take complex formulas in regular Excel are point and click in Power Query. When your transformations are complete, click Close and Load to push the clean data into your workbook. It arrives as an Excel table that you can use in pivot tables, charts, and formulas just like any other data. The magic: when your source data changes, go to Data and click Refresh All. Every query reruns every step and updates the table in seconds. Your report, pivot tables, and charts all update automatically. That 1-hour manual report is now a one-click refresh. Here's the real-world workflow. Set up a folder where you drop raw data files each month. Create a Power Query that connects to that entire folder, from folder. Power Query combines every file in the folder automatically. When next month's file lands in the folder, you just click Refresh, and the new data appears in your report. No copy-pasting, no reformatting, no chance of human error. This is how professional analysts handle recurring reports. Organizations that adopt Power Query for recurring reports see up to a 90% reduction in preparation time. A report that took 2 hours every Monday now takes 12 minutes, most of which is just waiting for the data to load. The real benefit isn't just speed, it's consistency. Power Query applies the same transformations every time, so you eliminate the formatting errors and missteps that happen with manual processes. That's Power Query from zero to automated report. Once you build your first query, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. I've linked a sample raw data file in the description so you can follow along. Subscribe for more Excel automation tutorials every week.